Our galaxy is a barred spiral. The Milky Way is classified as a barred spiral galaxy, a type of galaxy characterized by its spiral structure and a central bar-shaped region of stars. Unlike traditional spiral galaxies, which have arms that wind directly out from a central bulge, barred spirals feature a bar of stars running through the center, with the spiral arms extending outward from the ends of the bar. This bar structure is thought to act as a kind of stellar conveyor belt, funneling gas and stars into the galactic core, which can help fuel star formation. The Milky Way's spiral arms are not just pretty patterns, they are regions of intense star formation. Our solar system is located in the Orion Arm, a minor arm of the Milky Way. The galaxy's major arms, like the Perseus Arm and the Sagittarius Arm, are packed with young, hot stars, massive molecular clouds, and regions known as nebulae, where new stars are born. The barred spiral structure is a defining feature of the Milky Way, influencing everything from its overall dynamics to the distribution of stars and gas within it.